Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lavangray for all those who do not know, and I'm back at it again with another video. So in this video, I'm showing you just how I refresh this cute little hairstyle. Really simple, really cute, really easy. You know, it doesn't take me long to do. I just did 2 little braids in the front, a high little top knot bun, and then my hair is out in the back. I did this style on an old wash and go, so it really didn't take me long to do. So I hope y'all like this little, I don't know what to call it, little braid top knot wash and go out, whatever this is. And yeah, that's what it's looking like. So let's just hop right on into the video. I hope you've enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any videos when I upload.
Watch my videos.
But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch y'all in my next one. Peace.